You asked, how to divide 30,642 by 6 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 30. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 minus 30 equals 0. Bring down 6, making 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 6 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 4 minus 0 equals 4. Bring down 2, making 42. 42 divided by 6 equals 7. 7 times 6 equals 42. 42 minus 42 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 5,107.